Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Uh, Draw structure formula and split formula for this. Dear student, you have mistaken in the this question in last assignment 15. You have drawn only a displayed formula. This question was 16 mark. Uh, for drawing structure formula 8 marks and displayed formula 8 mark. You have drawn only displayed formula, you didn't draw structural formula, so you lost 8 mark. Everyone got 16 out of 24. Yeah. So I am look, this is displayed formula. Displayed formula show the relative position of all atoms in the molecule and show also every bond between them. Look, this is displayed formula show the relative position of all atoms position shown, and it also shown the every bond. This is carbon hydrogen bond, carbon hydrogen bond, carbon hydrogen bond, carbon carbon bond, carbon hydrogen bond. All bond are also shown in a displayed formula. And in a structural formula show the number, type and arrangement of atoms in the molecules. Like show the this is arrangement of atoms only show in the molecules. This way shown the structural formula. You can write this way or this way, structural formula. Okay, I am now giving this correct answer of this question. Okay, here structural formula of ethane. Structural formula of ethane, this CH3, ethane CH3. CH3. This is the structural formula. And now this is displayed formula, show all the bonds. Here carbon contains 3 hydrogen, here carbon carbon bond, no, carbon carbon bond, single bond, and this carbon has 3 hydrogens, so there carbon hydrogen bond, 3 carbon hydrogen bond here. So structure displayed formula show number of atom, also bond also shown, all bond also shown here. Number 2 is propane 1 all. So in the position 1 is alcohol 1, so it will be here 1 in the this first carbon position 1 is alcohol, 1 alcohol content in the position 1, then CH2, CH3. Okay, now how will be its displayed formula? Okay, this displayed formula you have drawn already. This one you drawn. I will not show. Your displayed formula is correct. You will draw this displayed formula. I will not show this thing. I am writing only structural formula. This is CH2 this carbon hydrogen bond, and here this carbon has 3 hydrogen and bond is shown here. This is the propane 1 all. This is the structural formula. This is displayed formula. This carbon has 3 hydrogen and 1 OH alcohol group. So this carbon has 2 hydrogen and 1 alcohol group, functional group OH. and then CH2, this carbon has two hydrogen. There is a carbon bond. This carbon has 3 hydrogen, 1 2 3. Okay, now butadiene. This is a but means 4 carbon in a chain, and in alkene 2 in the second position is double bond position is second chain, 4 carbon in a chain, 1 2 3 4 carbon in a chain for but. And the second position, this is a position 1, position 2, second position is double bond. Here and single bond. So it will be 3 hydrogen here, and here 1 hydrogen, here also 1 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen. Okay, now this is the displayed formula. This hydrogen also here. This carbon has 3 hydrogen, this 1 2 3, and here is carbon single bond, then carbon hydrogen, this carbon double bond in the position 2, and then single bond, and this carbon has 3 hydrogen. This all bonds are shown here. Now this hexane, this is hexane, 6 carbon in a chain. This is alkane. Single bond, carbon. What? Okay. Okay, 6 carbon in a chain. So 1 2 Okay, here how many hydrogen? This carbon has 1 bond, so 3 hydrogen. 4 bond can form. 3 bond will form hydrogen through CH3. This carbon has 1 bond, 2 bond. So 1 bond more 2 bond. A carbon can form 4 bond because it is balanced 4. It can form 4 bond with hydrogen. So this carbon has already 2 bonds. So more 2 bond will form hydrogen. Here 2 bond with hydrogen, 2 bond with hydrogen, 2 bond with hydrogen, and here this carbon has 1 bond, so more 3 bond will form hydrogen. Okay, this is the structure formula of hexane. This is the displayed formula of hexane. Number 5 methanol. Methanols, this is the this carbon CH3, and 1 has the bond with alcohol. This is methanol, and now I'll draw this is the structure formula of methanol. This is the displayed formula of methanol. So all bonds are shown. This is the carbon hydrogen bond. Here is 3 carbon hydrogen bond, and this carbon has another bond with functional group OH. This OH. Now question number 6 is 2-methyl propane. So methyl position is 2. This is the CH3, CH, not CH. Here 1 is methyl group. Here this here 1 is methyl group. This carbon has two bond. This carbon has two bond, one is hydrogen, one here. So here okay, this is the structure formula. Now this is the displayed formula of 2-methyl propane. This is one. This is now methyl propene. So how many carbon? 3 carbon in a chain. Prop in means double bond. At least one double bond contained in this compound. 3 carbon. 3 carbon. Okay, this carbon. Methyl propene. Okay, I give here one double bond. Okay, methyl propane. So I give there is a methyl group here, CH3, CH3 1 methyl. This is the structure formula of 2-methyl propene. So methyl double bond, prop 1 2 3 carbon in a chain, and methyl group. This is the methyl group, and this carbon has 2 double bond, so more 2 bond will form hydrogen. This carbon has 2 bond here, 2 bond, and 1 bond here, so 1 bond will form this methyl group. This carbon 3 hydrogen, and 3 bond with hydrogen, and 1 bond with carbon bond. So we know carbon can form 4 bonds. This is the displayed formula of this bond. This is carbon hydrogen. This carbon contains 2 hydrogen. This carbon contains 2 hydrogen. 2 bonds are formed. There is a carbon double bond. This carbon 2 bond with this carbon, and this carbon 1 bond with this carbon, and 1 bond with a methyl group. This is the methyl group, CHHH, CH3. This is the methyl group. Okay, this is the structure formula of methyl propene, and this is the displayed formula of methyl propene. Now pent 1 in. This is the pent means 5 carbon in a chain, and a double bond position is the 1 position. So here I give the double bond, so it will be CH2, not CH3, because single bond, CH3. Okay, this is the displayed formula, structure formula of pent 1 in. This is the double bond position is 1 2 3 4 5. So in the 1 position is double bond in it is alkene. So double bond position here given numbering 1, so I should give in the 1 position double bond. So this carbon 2 bond, so more 2 bond will form double bond here, so more 2 bond will form hydrogen. This carbon has 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond, so 1 bond is formed with hydrogen. This carbon has 2 bond, 1 bond, 1 bond, 2 bond, 2 more bond will form hydrogen. This carbon has 1 bond here, and more 3 bond will form with hydrogen. This is the displayed formula of pent 1 in. Okay, thank you for watching, and take excellent preparation for the upcoming exam on which will be held on Tuesday. Your second online exam will be held at 12 o'clock. Okay, best wishes for your upcoming exam. Thank you once again.